never know me though. Around 2005 when I wrote my first rhyme. When I first started, I wanted to quit so many times. My brother told me, Trail, you ain't gotta tell no lies. Went from the ground to my prime, now I'm on the rise. Could see the pain in my eyes, but I always smile. Despite the hate that's on my child, I never stop. My mama asked me, son, how it feel to be on top. I always had the hustle and ambition since I was a child. I drop my nuts and be a man, they don't understand. No matter what I tell my fans, they don't know who I am. They criticize me and don't know me, I don't give a damn. I tell my sons that I love them every time I see them. My family talk about me, I just act like I own him. A nigga ever cross me, swear that I wouldn't wanna be him. I'm from the streets, put you to sleep and I won't shed a tear. So when it's beef, my niggas creep, no they won't let you live. I